Should you offer returns on eBay? That's what we're gonna be covering today. And this is one of the #1 questions that I get all the time for beginners selling on eBay is, should I offer returns? Aren't I gonna just be like losing money by offering returns? So I'm here with Vinny. Vinny sells anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 a month, selling toys and other various items on eBay. And he's gonna answer the question today, should you offer returns? What are the pros? What are the cons? And we're gonna break this down in full. So, I've watched videos on this in the past and people they don't answer it fully. So this is gonna be the last video that you're gonna have to watch in regards to this. So Vinny, what's going on?
Nothing much. Yeah, I just wanted to talk about, I obviously offer returns, and I think that everyone, if you sell on eBay, should offer at least 30-day returns. And here is why. Because eBay wants to take care of their buyers like Amazon. They want to be just like Amazon. They're lagging, but they want to be. And if you do not offer returns, they are not going to push your items up there, guys. I promise you, they will not push your items above somebody else who offers a 30-day return.
So you're talking about the algorithm.
Now you're saying to me, I don't want buyers to be able to send their item back and create a whole return process. But I say to them, what are you afraid of? Like, do you know you're selling shitty products and they're going to be returned? Are you lazy and you don't want to? And I'll tell you one thing is, I have a friend who doesn't offer returns. Mm-hmm. And who didn't offer returns, and he has gotten 3 returns. So how is that possible? How, if you don't offer returns, can you now all of a sudden have 3 returns? Because eBay has a money-back guarantee policy. So if you are not happy with your item, doesn't matter whether you offer returns or don't offer returns, that buyer can get their money back and it's coming back from your pocket.
So why do they offer the option then?
I have no idea, but just so you know, even if you offer 30-day returns, the item can still be returned. It does not protect you 100%.
So you offer no returns, and then what happens? All of a sudden a return case just opens up in your account?
Yeah, eBay has a money-back guarantee and says the buyer needs to return the item. I don't know. I've never not offered returns, so I don't know exactly what happens. But I'm assuming that they send the buyer a message, the seller a message saying, like, through eBay's money-back guarantee program, we are obligated to give this buyer's money back because he's not satisfied.
And let me tell you something, because I've experimented with this in the past. I've been selling on eBay for over almost 7-8 years now. I've offered no returns before, and guess what pops up?
What?
A PayPal resolution case.
Oh,
They'll open up a case.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They'll open up. But with PayPal, is it like associated at all anymore?
No.
Yeah. So right now,
so yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
eBay and PayPal will work together to pull that money back from you. So it is doing you no benefit at all as a seller to offer no returns. Like, everybody should now be offering returns.
Yeah. My question is PayPal offered on eBay anymore right now?
What do you mean offered?
Like, you know how they have the new payment system and everything?
PayPal, everything. It's through PayPal as well. You can also put credit cards. You can do it by yourself. But
because that's one of the #1 questions I'm getting right now, and I'm trying to make this video geared more towards beginners right now. But some people are thinking, like, does PayPal exist anymore? Is it only through the payment system that eBay has?
Yeah. So eBay has their own payment system now. It's called Managed Payments, where basically
everybody loves it.
They can pull your money from anywhere instead of just one source, as in PayPal, where they were one entity. Now they are separated, but you can still have your PayPal linked up to your eBay and pay through your PayPal if that's the preferred way to pay.
Gotcha. So I guess at the end of the day, what Vinny is saying, and what I'm also trying to communicate as well, #1, if you offer returns or not, they can still get their money back. #2, what Vinny was referring to before, when he was saying, like, showing your items and stuff, is the algorithm. eBay has an algorithm, just like Google, just like Facebook. There's all these, these algorithms now, like robots that make decisions without them having to, manually do it. So they're looking for there's like different signs that they're pointing at for, creating a really great experience, a buying and selling experience. So they have their research, and like you were saying, like, everyone's trying to model Amazon now, and they know, like, if you offer refunds, it gives confidence to the buyers, it makes them feel better, it just creates a better experience. I mean, like, have you ever bought something and they don't offer returns and you're like, you're anxious?
Yeah, I know. So that's all. I mean, I just wanted to tell people that there's no benefit to anybody to not offer returns. There's nobody's benefit.
But you said 30-day returns. What about 60 days or 14 days or 7 days?
The minimum you should do is 30. eBay offers a window of when you can accept returns. I would keep it in that 30-day window, because if you haven't decided that you don't want this item within 30 days, like, when are you going to decide that? Like, 30 days is a perfect parameter. And that's the criteria eBay uses as a minimum for, like, top-rated seller, which is another topic for another video. So basically, you can become a better ranked seller and get your items pushed higher if you offer at least 30-day returns.
Yeah. So keep that in mind for sure, and don't forget that eBay is tracking, monitoring, and just keeping an eye out on every single thing you're doing. It all plays into the algorithm. I don't think they ever release, Amazon doesn't either, they don't release their exact formula, but they give you hints, right? Look into the top-rated seller. They're giving you hints. They kind of push you towards what they want you to do, and then that's up to you.
I'm just like managed payments. I'm speculating that eBay is also going to require you to accept returns in the near future. So be on the lookout for that. If you haven't seen it yet, it's probably coming soon that they're going to make you have to accept the returns. Yeah, so hopefully this was a full tutorial for you and answered all your questions. If there is anything that we missed or anything that you want to know in terms of returns, accepting them, the reasons for doing it, ask the questions down below. And if you disagree, I welcome opinions, I welcome disagreements, but if you would explain why you disagree and why it would benefit you to not offer the returns, I would love to read it, to see it in the comments. Yeah, and I'd love for someone to make a good case, because I don't like offering returns. Honestly, I wish I didn't have to. Right. But the only reason we do is because it helps us, it benefits us, and it's like you can have the best items in the world, but if eBay's not showing it, it's just going to sit in your store forever collecting dust, and it's a cash flow game. Yeah. So guys, think hard about it. If you haven't moved already, just think hard about making the decision. Absolutely. And if you want to learn more about buying and selling on eBay, I'll put some links down below to other videos that we've recorded. I'll share some of the links to Vinny's eBay toy guides. If you guys don't know Vinny, he's been selling toys for over 5 years now? Yeah, so like I said before, he's doing anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 a month. It fluctuates. He runs he has a full-time job, right? I was gonna say he runs a full-time job. Yeah, I do work semi full-time job. I work 32 hours a week, and the rest of my time I spend listing and shipping. And yeah, if you did it full-time, it could be even better. Yeah, so check out some of Vinny's guides if you want to support the channel. If you enjoy these videos, pick up a guide. We'll throw a 25% off coupon code down below. If you have any suggestions of videos that you want us to shoot, let us know. But with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.